Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm explaining how to replace the text in Excel sheet using the function. So here you can see in the left side I have some cells with some name and character and alphabet combination. I want to make some changes and put it on the next column, for example B. So the function which we are going to use today is replace. So let's see how we can use this function. Let me just delete this for you and I will show this again. Okay, so first thing you need to use the equal to symbol, same like we use, and then type replace or REPL, then find the replace function. So here you will see there are 4 things you need to add in this particular function: old text, start number, number characters, and new text. So old text means whatever old text is there, say for example here MOHD, and start number from where you want to replace the starting number of that particular word, and the number characters, how many numbers you need, how many number of characters you want to replace, and the new text, what you want to give it the new text. So for example, in our case, I want to change MOHD to Muhammad, the proper full name. So what I need to do, I need to choose A2 from where I need to replace, and the starting characters is 1, so I need to choose 1. So it will start from M, and how many characters I need, MOH I need to replace, or say I don't need to replace M actually, so I will start from 2, and number of characters is 2. O and H I need to replace, so 2 again. Then I need to choose the replacement. For example, I want to change UHAMME and close this one. So OH will be replaced by UHAMME, which I will be getting Muhammad in combination. Let's close this bracket and enter. So you can see this one, it's beautifully changed MOHD to Muhammad. Hope you understood the concept, guys. And similarly for understanding another scenario, so here we have 2 numbers, C1043, D1043. So I want to change 102 20. How can I change this one? Or say 102 21 and 1043 to C2143 and D1043 to D2143. So what I can do here, same function, replace. As for example, I will start with 1 character. So what I will do, instead of C104, I will be putting B104, and here I will be putting C104, just to make sure it's working. So let's choose the first column, and start number is 1. Start number character which I need is only 1 actually, because I'm only going to replace the C, and the letters which I'm going to use is B, and close the bracket. So here you can see C1043 has been converted to B1043. If I expand the same function, it will give me the same result, because it will replace the D characters with B. Here if you want to change, say for example I want to change to C, you can use this function. Hope you understood the video. So similarly you can replace any characters in a particular word in Excel. This will be especially useful if you want to replace the characters inside a word. So it was a bit lengthy video, but I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.